Audio CD 2, Track 52, Part B, Filling in the Blanks.
Conversation B. A guest talks to the concierge at his hotel about birdwatching.
If you like birdwatching, Guangdu Estuary is definitely worthwhile.
Sounds good, but how do I get there?
I recommend riding along the trail next to the Danshui River. There's a rental shop in Dadaocheng.
How far is the ride?
It depends. I'd say about 45 minutes.
I think I can handle that. Besides birds, what other animals does Guangdu have?
Fiddler crabs. Did you know that male fiddler crabs only have one claw?
I didn't know that. That's interesting. Do people eat them?
I don't think so. They're too small.
Okay, but maybe we'll hike. My wife doesn't like to ride.
That's also a good way to see Danshui. Make sure you have the proper footwear.
All right, thanks for the information.